Hello everyone, my name is ATP and today I've got something exciting for you. I will be sharing 3 completely free trading strategies that I have developed for Forex, crypto and stocks. These strategies have real and verified results, and in this video I will be giving you everything you need to start trading with them. All the rules, indicators and needed information to execute them right now. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Firstly, let's start with the crypto strategy. This one is designed specifically for the volatility of the crypto markets in the 2-hour time frame and can be applied to any crypto pair. The indicators that you will need to apply this strategy are the QQE MT4, you can use this one with the settings 14 for the RSI, 5 for the slope factor and 4.238 for the QQE. You can also change the QQE color to green. And this indicator has the entry trigger function. Next, let's insert our filter indicator, which is the entrant price TPO. You can use this one with a period of 21. After that, let's insert the Quadratar explosion, this one here, which is, of course, our volume indicator. For the settings, you should insert 110 on the sensitivity and let the other settings on the default mode, which are 20, 40, 20 and 2. With these 3 indicators, we can already know when to enter in a valid trade. A long position is considered when the QQE green line crosses above the red one, the DPO line is above the zero level, and the Quadratar explosion bar is green and above the explosion line, like in this example, and the short position is considered when the QQE red line crosses above the green one, the DPO line is under the zero level and the Quadratar explosion bar is red and above the explosion line, like in this second example. Now, for the stop losses, we use the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 1.5, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses on your charts according to the market's volatility. The lower band is used to set the stop losses for long positions, like in this trade, and the upper band is used to set the stop losses for short positions, as you can see. Then, regarding the exit points, there are 3 different possibilities that can happen. The first one is, of course, if the stop loss is hit. The second one, regarding the take profit, happens in the following way. On the 1 to 0.67 risk to reward ratio, which is equivalent to the ATR multiplier of 1, we will always close 50% of the position and protect our trade by moving the stop loss to the entry point. And after that, we will use a trailing stop to scale the profits from the other 50% of the position that moves according to the ATR multiplier of 1.5, so with the same distance as the original stop loss. For example, in this trade, we would close 50% of the position here, and the second part of the trade would only be closed here, when the price touched our trailing stop. And finally, the third exit possibility is linked to our final indicator, which is the exit indicator tricks, this one by Everget, with a length of 7. If during a long position a red crossover appears, we should close our trade. And if during a short position a green crossover appears, we should exit from the trade. This exit indicator is crucial to exit from losing positions as early as possible. And these are the rules from the crypto strategy. Over the last 4 years, since 2020, this strategy has shown a 54% win rate with a profit factor of 1.29 and a Sharpe ratio above 5. And by trading only 6 different cryptocurrencies, it achieved a return on investment of 107% in every year, by risking 2% per trade. Here you can see other stats and the equity chart, which is consistent. Also, in the first 6 months of 2024, this strategy has already yielded a profit of above 40%. And so, until the end of the year, it will probably achieve the goal of 100% profit. Also, on this document, I have this page with a summary of the strategy and you can download it for free. All you need to do is head to my brand new website, algotradepro.com. The link is on the description. Head over to the portfolio section, and here you will find the strategy results and this light blue button that says download. Simply click on it and now you have the free document. In a few minutes I will show you other free things that you can have on my new website, but for now let's move on to the next strategy. Next up is a strategy for the Forex market. This strategy can be applied in any time frame, but the best one to use is the daily one, because in this way we only need about 50 minutes per day to trade it. This Forex strategy uses the following indicators: the UTBot alerts, this one here, with the settings 2 for the key value and 10 for the ATR period. And this indicator is of course our entry trigger, displaying these buy and sell signals on the chart. Next, let's insert our filter indicator, the basic polychromatic momentum. You can use this one, with a length of 15 and a smoothing of 6. After that, let's insert again the Water explosion, which is also the volume indicator of this strategy, but the settings are different. You should insert 80 on the sensitivity, 22 on the fast EMA length, 40 on the slow one, 25 here, and you can let the value 2 here. And now for this unique strategy we also need another indicator called baseline, which is the T3MA. You have got some options on TradingView, but the one I use is the one created by myself. Although it is not published on TradingView, you can access its code for free. You just need to simply join my Discord community, the link is in the description, head over to the free materials channel, and there you will find the code of my T3MA indicator. Open up the node, copy the code, and then on TradingView, click on the Pine editor, then on Open, select New Indicator, paste the code and save it. Finally, click on the Add to Chart option and that's it. Now you have my T3MA on your charts. With these 4 indicators, we can already know when to enter in a valid trade. Regarding long positions, there are 2 possibilities. The first one is when the UTBot prints a buy signal, where you can take the trade if the polychromatic momentum's line is above the 0 level, the Water explosion bar is green and above the explosion line, and also if the price is between the T3MA line and this upper band, like in this example. And the other possibility is similar, being the only difference the trigger, which is the T3MA. When the price crosses and closes above the T3MA, you can also take a position if all the other indicators confirm the bullish trend, including the UTBot alerts, like in this example. Regarding short positions, the 2 possibilities are the same but work in the opposite way. Here you have an example of a short position where the UTBot was the entry trigger, and here you have the other possibility where the T3MA was the trigger. Shortly, I will also give you a document that has all the rules stated, so don't worry about taking notes. Now for the stop losses, we use again the ATR bands indicator in the same way as on the crypto strategy, with a multiplier of 1.5. And finally, regarding the exit points, there are also 3 different possibilities that can happen. The first one is of course if the stop loss is hit. The second one, regarding the take profit, happens in the exact same way as in the crypto strategy, with the first take profit level and then a trailing stop, with the same ATR multiples. Here you've got an example of a long position, and here you've got an example of a short position. And finally, the third exit possibility is linked to our final indicator, which is the exit indicator Arun, with a length of 10. If during a long position the Arun blue line crosses above the orange one, we should close our trade. And if during a short position the Arun orange line crosses above the blue one, we should exit from the trade. And these are all the rules from the Forex strategy. Over the last 10 years, since 2013, this strategy has shown a 53% win rate, with a profit factor of 1.27 and a Sharpe ratio of 2.34. And by trading the 28 most used currency pairs, it achieved a consistent return on investment of 12.36% in every year, by taking only 79 signals per year, which is the same as 6 trades per month. So if you don't have much time for trading, this strategy is perfect for you. Here you can see other stats and the equity chart, which is consistent and with low drawdown periods. Also, in the past year, 2023, this strategy gave me a profit of 13.58%, which was exactly what we expected. Again, on this document I have this page with the summary of the strategy, and you can also download it for free. On the same page from my website, click on this right arrow, and next to the crypto strategy you will find the Forex Strategy results and this green button that says download. Simply click on it and now you have the free document. And before showing all the other features of my new website, let's check out our final strategy. Finally, we have the strategy for the stock market. This strategy was designed for trading stocks in the 30-minute time frame, and it is the easiest one. The indicators that you will need to apply this strategy are the purple cloud, where you can also find the code from my personal one on the free materials channel for my Discord, with the settings 10 for the super trend ATR length, 3 for the super trend factor, 40 for the period, and 0.9 for the alpha value. And this indicator has the entry trigger function. Next, let's insert our filter indicator, which is the Bollinger Bands breakout oscillator, this one by Lux Algo with a length of 20. And with these two indicators we can already know when to enter in a valid trade. A long position is considered when the purple cloud gives a buy signal and the Bollinger Bands indicator is green, like in this example. And the short position is considered when the purple cloud gives a sell signal and the Bollinger Bands indicator is red, like in the second example. Simple as that. Now, for the stop losses, we use again the ATR bands indicator in the same way as on the other two strategies, with a multiplier of 1.5. Regarding the exit points, there are also 3 different possibilities that can happen. The first one is, of course, if the stop loss is hit. The second one, regarding the take profit, happens in the exact same way as in the crypto strategy, with the first take profit level and then a trailing stop. Here we've got an example of a long position, and here we've got an example of a short position. And finally, the third exit possibility is linked to our final indicator, which is the exit indicator parabolic SAR, with the settings 0.02, 0.025 and 0.3. If during a long position that parabolic SAR dots flips from below to above the price, we should close our trade. And if during a short position the dots flip from above to below the price, we should exit from the trade. And these are the rules from the stock trading strategy. Over the last 6 years, since 2018, this strategy has shown a 51.65% win rate with a profit factor of 1.27 and a Sharpe ratio above 3. And by trading only 7 different stocks, it achieved a return on investment of 47% in every year by taking only 192 trades per year, which is the same of 16 trades per month. Here you can see other stats and the equity chart, which is highly consistent. Also, in the first 6 months of 2024, this strategy has already yielded a profit of above 22%, and so, until the end of the year, it will probably achieve the goal of 47% profit. Again, on this document I have this page with a summary of the strategy, and you can also download it for free. On the same page from my website, click on this right arrow one more time, and next to the Forex Strategy you will find the stock trading strategy results and this dark blue button that says download. Simply click on it and now you have the free document. Now that you have your 3 documents with all the strategy's rules, results and information, I want to quickly show you the rest of my new website. You will find an introduction page that explains my vision and mission. There is also a free content page packed with valuable content to help you improve your investing and trading skills. In addition, you can check out the subscription and smart tools pages where I offer advanced trading tools designed to enhance your trading experience, and also some free videos that show you how everything works. Finally, if you have specific projects in mind or need some personal solutions, there is a section where you can reach out to me for custom requests. I'm here to help you succeed in your trading journey. As you can see, these strategies are easy to follow, effective, and most importantly, they are free for anyone to use. You can start trading with them today, and all the information you need is available for download from the website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Bye bye.